We'll guide you through how to fix Bluetooth stuttering in Windows 11 and 10. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, come to the bottom of your computer and click on search and type in mmsys.cpl and click here. This is going to open up your sound settings. Click on playback and find your Bluetooth device, select it, right click and press properties. You can then go and click on enhancements at the top, and first of all go and select disable all enhancements and click apply. Now go and see if that solves a problem. If it still isn't, come to the bottom of your computer and click on search and type in control panel like so. Then all you need to do is click on hardware and sound and click on devices and printers at the top. In Windows 11 you get this pop-up, click on devices and then scroll down and click on more devices and printer settings, and then you'll be brought here. You should be brought here in Windows 10, and then just go and right click on your device and you want to click on properties, and you then want to go and click on services. Try unselecting remotely controllable device and then click apply, and hopefully that will go and solve your problem.